Now we are discussing about countries. In that today we are discussing about the country Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan is a country in Central Asia bordered by the Caspian Sea and largely covered by the Karakum Desert. It is known for an archaeological ruins including those at Nisa and Mervi, major stops along the ancient trade route, the Silk Road. Ashgabat, the capital, was rebuilt in Soviet style in the middle 20th century and is filled with grand monuments honoring former President Sapar Murat Niyazov. And capital city of Turkmenistan is Ashgabat, that is ASHGABT, Ashgabat. And the dialing code is +993. That means those who are interested to talk with their friends and relatives in Turkmenistan, they should start in their mobile number +993, then their mobile number, then it will go automatically. And the next point is area is 4,88,099 square kilometers. Currency is the Turkmenistan Manat. And population is 62 lakhs approximate. And official language is Turkmen. Is Turkmenistan a rich or poor country? Known for its autocratic government and large grass reserves, Turkmenistan has been an island of stability in restive Central Asia. Despite the gas wealth, much of the population lives in poverty. And next point is, why is Turkmenistan so hard to visit? A former Soviet state, it is one of the most isolated countries in the world, one of the world's most isolated and representative countries. Turkmenistan receives very few visitors, and those who manage to travel to the country will be able to see a society that is still under strict control and supervision. And the next point is Turkmenistan part of Turkey? Turkey was the first country in the world to recognize the independence of Turkmenistan during the period of dissolution of the Soviet Union, and first country that opened the embassy in the newly independent country. Turkmenistan has an embassy in Ankara and a consulate general in Istanbul. Next point is, why is Turkmenistan so rich? Natural gas. Turkmenistan's natural gas reserves are estimated at 50 million cubic meters. Turkmenistan's major gas deposits were discovered in its central and eastern areas in the 1940s and 50s and in the 1980s also. And the republic became the second largest producer of gas in the Soviet Union behind the Russian SFSR. And next point is Turkmenistan safe for tourists? Reconsider travel to Turkmenistan due to embassy Ashgabat's limited capacity to provide support to US citizens and COVID-19 related restrictions. Country summary. Currently, international commercial flights are suspended. Next point is Turkmenistan Sunni or Shia Sunni or Shia Muslims? The vast majority of the Turkmenistan are Muslim, mostly Sunni of the Hanafi school. Islam among the Turkmens has a notable tradition of being tempered and infused with folk practices and traditions. Next point is social media allowed in Turkmenistan? Social networks such as Facebook, YouTube and Twitter are not accessible through the Turkmenent. Attempts to get around this censorship can lead to grave consequences. However, only Russian social networks, Udonklasinki and mail agent chatting system that are available. Next point is Turkey in NATO? Turkey has been a member of NATO since 1952, has its second largest army and is the host of the Allied Land Command headquarters, the Incirlik and Konya air bases have both been involved in several NATO military operations since their establishment. The current ambassador to NATO is Basat Ozturk. This is the information regarding Turkmenistan. So only allowable bad thing is they are not allowing social media in Turkmenistan. That is the only thing. But nowadays the freedom is there certain extent, so they are able to see in those areas also. Wishing you all the best.